Welcome to Trini Bites again. We're gonna bust our lime tonight. We're gonna make some stew chicken. I don't cut up half of the chicken and the camera really come late. Okay, so I'm in charge of the show. Saturday night. They say take a rest. They're cooking today and I just in charge of the pepper stuff, the hot stuff. We have everybody in the background there waiting for food and drinks. And the party will start in a few minutes. Why I take a drink? That's what it is. Cheers. Excuse my jersey. The heat up break down. Cheers. Just imagine the dog eating chow. In the banana in here. Huh? Yeah, we snacks too. Caramel. There's some teeth in that again at home. Here's my cucumber chow. It's got the banana and the pepper and black pepper with the cucumber. I'm gonna give him a shake. Like shake. Alright, check that out. Now I'll taste a piece. You think I'm one of these foods for that? This good. You want to make a toast? There goes the stew chicken. Just put the oil in. Then Mr. Ryan just showed up.
Some chow. In the spot.
There he goes. Oh, hear the sound of that. Hear the sound of that. There we go. Alright, we have the white rice on the other side there. Cooking. Basmati rice. Cheers, guys.
You got the corona here?
Yeah, I got a shot.
Courtesy of COVID. You know how it is.
And brought some.
The first one was the
short
best
ribs.
one. The first one that you made was the best one. Oh,
Yeah,
I didn't realize you were still shooting videos.
Score this. Alright, we've got our dry rub here. Plenty of it, it's a lot of meat.
Cheese. We also have some stew chicken.
They're going to want water, so all we have to let it dry longer than this. Your mother bring the cutlass, your father bring the gun. No matter what your family say, no matter what your family say. So we have one vegetarian in the house, doesn't eat meat. I'm going to make a tin of red beans. I'm going to I made this once and I'm going to try it again. I cut up a potato in small, fine blocks and I stew it with the red beans. It tastes really, really good. See? Small pieces and it is with the red beans.
Me, Ray, and the other guy are gonna make up.
Team Magna.
How long are you going to leave it to cook? About 15 minutes. Chicken. So my Chinese curry.
Oh yeah, it is bueno.
I'd like to pick up a little kid. He's on a YouTube channel. His name is Eric Primchan Jatnew. He's on YouTube. He cooks lots of food for the kids and he bakes stuff too, like cookies and muffins and stuff. So check him out on YouTube. Eric Primchan Jatnew.
Ribs are done. Show how tender it is. Look at that.
Ready back up. Are you just on the moment?
Alright, so as you can see, we beef ribs done. You can see the time, 12:30 in the morning. It took 3 hours to cook this thing. Watch the bone. Come on, clean.
400.
So this is just a plain piece of meat right here. So we're gonna cut it up and serve it. And we're gonna see what everybody says.
Right, well let me see, we just slice that meat that way.
Alright, so let me cut it in half.
You guys proposing to the meat?
Open that meat that way.
Watch.
Yeah, look at that piece of fat thing in that way.
Honestly?
What? Yo, look at that piece, guy. That's the real thing. Get him out there so we see where this is.
Well, it's real hot, but look at it.
Blow it.
Oh.